In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals with Asana Rules. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up a simple approval workflow so tasks can move forward without constant follow-ups. Instead of manually checking in with teammates for sign-offs, you'll let Asana handle the process automatically in the background, saving time and keeping everything consistent. Start by opening Asana and selecting the project where you want to manage approvals. This could be any workspace where tasks require review, such as a design workflow, content approval board, or request pipeline. Once inside, make sure you're viewing the project in a standard layout like list or board so you can easily access the controls at the top. Next, look toward the upper right corner and click on the Customize option. This panel acts as your control center, where you can manage different elements of your project, including fields, forms, and automation rules. From here, locate the section dedicated to rules and choose to add a new one. While you may see suggested templates, you'll create your own setup to have full control over how the approval process works. Select the option that allows you to build a rule using the advanced AI-powered builder. This gives you more flexibility and allows you to tailor the automation to match your team's exact workflow. When prompted, choose to start from scratch. This ensures you can define each part of the rule yourself instead of relying on a preset structure. Now, begin by selecting a trigger. The trigger represents the moment when a task is ready for approval. This could be when a task moves into a specific section, when a field is updated to indicate readiness, or when certain details are completed. After choosing the trigger, continue to the next step where you define what should happen automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts to build out the actions. You can set the task to be assigned to a reviewer, update its status to reflect that it's awaiting approval, add a comment for context, or move it into a dedicated review section. Take a moment to review the summary of your rule to make sure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, save the rule. From this point forward, every time the trigger condition is met, Asana will automatically carry out the approval process for you, ensuring tasks move forward smoothly without manual intervention. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.